Hello Internet, welcome to Love for Java. This is George Rosario. I will be your tutor for all the Java sessions. Before entering into subject, let me give my introduction to you. As I said, my name is George Rosario. I am a computer postgrad, currently working as a software engineer. I am very interested in Java and sharing my Java knowledge. That's all. Let's enter into subject now. Okay, today in the subject we'll learn about compiler and interpreter and how a Java program works and the releases of Java. Means in the first topic about compiler and interpreter, I'm going to say about what is compiler. Compiler is a software which translates entire program into machine level language. Okay, an interpreter is a software which executes the code line by line and gives the output. Now you must have known the difference between a compiler and interpreter. Compiler is a program which translates entire complete program into machine level language, but interpreter not like that. Translates or executes line by line and gives the output. Okay, now you may be wondering that is Java a compiler oriented language or an interpreter oriented language? Okay friends, now I'll say what is Java. Java is a compiler and interpreter oriented language. Means it has both compiler and interpreter both. That's why it's a very robust language. Okay, now we will go to how this compiler and interpreter helps in Java execution. Now we'll enter into the Java execution, how it should happen. And this is a process, means like now I will say how it goes with execution. Okay, first I'll go with writing a Java program. First we will write a Java program here. Means we will draft a Java program and we will name that file as giving some name to it and with the extension of .java. Then it becomes Java code. Okay, I will write all my code here. Down here I will write all the code and I will save this code as xyz.java. Yeah, I have saved this code as .java. Okay, then what will happen? Next I will use a command and I will compile that one using a Java compiler. That command is java c and file name. My file name is xyz.java. I will use the command java c space xyz.java. Here this means Java compiler. Java c means Java compiler space xyz.java. I will compile this Java program using Java compiler. Then, as I said earlier, what is the job of the Java compiler is that it takes the entire program and it translates it into machine code. Here machine code means it will generate a class file. These are byte codes. In class file it contains byte codes. Here now the Java code is converted by Java compiler as a byte code which will be stored as dot class file, means extension with dot class. If my program's name is xyz.java, then this class file means it has one class name. I will go with the class names and class body and everything in future videos. Now just assume that there is a thing called class, and it's in this Java program, so I have saved this as xyz.java, that a class name is xyz. Then this class names comes as xyz dot class, class. Now this xyz dot class contains the bytecode. The bytecode is a bytecode. It is not in a human readable format. It is a machine language. Only machine, your computer or interpreter, can read that dot class file. So we have to interpret that one. Using that class file, now we will interpret that one. I will use a command for execution. From here the compilation process is ended. Now I will start with the execution process. I will use a command called java using that class name xyz without any extension, and I will enter, and now my code will execute. Means now actually what happens is the JVM, which means Java Virtual Machine, interprets the Java class file, and this interpreting process happens line by line, and it sends that interpreted lines to the CPU for further execution. This is the process of Java execution. Now you may be wondering that what is this GRE, and why is that JVM inside that GRE? Okay friends, now I have to go a little briefly into the process. GRE is a package, like complete package you can say. Java comes with two packages, JDK and JRE. When JDK means Java comes in two, that is JDK, which means Java Development Kit, and JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Here this is Java Runtime Environment. For developing Java applications you need Java Development Kit, and for only running the Java files, like executing the Java programs, we need JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. When we download JDK of Java, it contains both JDK and JRE in Java Development Kit. JRE is used for execution. In that JRE package we will have a small software called JVM. Now you may be wondering, what is JVM? I told you before, JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine means it's a small tiny software inside JRE package, which is the sole responsible for the execution of Java program. Okay guys, I think now you understand about compiler, interpreter and the execution process of a Java file, from compiling and interpreting and execution, and what is JDK, what is JRE and what is JVM. Now I will go with the next session, that is the 3 releases of Java. Means you may be wondering what is this releases. The releases of Java releases, they are mainly 3 Java releases, that is, I'll go with a little big font, Java SE, Java EE and Java ME. Now you may be wondering, what are these 3 releases of Java? First is Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. What does this actually mean? The first thing is Java SE means Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. And the second one means Java Enterprise Edition. And the third one is Java Micro Edition. Okay, one single is there, Java completely, and why there are 3 releases? The first one is Java SE, means Java Standard Edition, which is used to develop core Java applications, like the applications which run only on core Java. And Java EE, Java Enterprise Edition, is also called as Java 2 Enterprise Edition, is used for web application development. Like whatever the web applications you see on the browser, running on a browser, are being developed in Java Enterprise Edition. Java Micro Edition, this is not most used now because it's time for Android and all, but still Java Micro Edition means it's used for developing mobile apps. Okay, now you got what are the releases, Java releases. What is Java SE in that one, what is Java EE in that one, Java ME in that one. Okay then, bye for today, and we will meet in the next session.